at Cork JA and we're going to speak to Capil Morrison. We're going to make a few drinks for us today because why? It's a World Bartender Day and we love drinks. We're here at 100 with Gavin Barnett. We're here at the Ribcage Grill and we're going to speak to Sean Hopkins, who's going to make a dirty mojito today. Let's see how that tastes. So today we're here at Broken Plate with Wray Edwards. He's going to prepare his signature drink and we're going to chat with him a little bit.